What's up, everyone? Kevin here with Spectora. Today, we're going to talk about the two things every inspector should be thinking about as we transition from busy season into traditional slower season. So the two things I want to get on your radar now are a website and your SEO presence. The reason it's good to think about these things now is that a new website and SEO generally takes 4 to 6 months to see results and for Google to really digest and notice your new website and for you to actually start seeing yourself rise in the rankings. So that's why thinking about it during busy season, as hard as it is the best time to do it so you can prepare and be there when December, January, February rolls around. You want to start seeing those results of getting more business in the slow season or even growing your business in the slow season. So if you're a new or inexperienced inspector, this looks more like, hey, I just want to get trickles of business and stay in business through this slow season. If you're an experienced inspector, this is how can you grow your business during slow season and scoop up those extra inspections that are coming from inspectors that either fall out of the business or the ones that just sit around during the off season. It's also a great time to focus on this because you just had a busy summer, or you hopefully just did a lot of inspections this summer and you have money to reinvest back into your business. And there's not a better place to do it than your website and your online digital marketing presence. So I won't spend a lot of time talking about the website because I made another video that I'll link to here. But if you have an outdated website, you know it's something you need to do, and it just makes sense to do it now, like I said, so Google can digest the new website for a few months and you can actually see positive results come winter. And the second thing is your SEO and investing in your digital presence. So when I say this, I'm not even saying sign up with Spectora and let us manage your SEO. I'm saying put some thought into it and DIY it if you can. If you can set aside the time to do it, I'll give you the tools to do that. I just think it's something that needs to happen at this time of year while you have the money or time to invest so you can actually be ranking higher come December, January, February of slow season. So if you're going to go at it on your own, I suggest start with 20 minutes a week. So all you have to do is set aside 20 minutes a week and actually put it in your calendar to say, I'm working on my SEO or I'm going to write content. Set aside 20 minutes and just start writing. I suggest looking in Google, searching for home improvement topics, and just write about one that you're knowledgeable about. If you don't want to do that, think about your last 5 inspections and think about a question that a client or an agent has asked you. That right there will give you plenty to write about and enough to hopefully last you a couple weeks worth of writing content. And the hardest part is just getting started writing. So all I can say is just start typing. As someone that's blogged and written a lot, it gets better each time you do it, just like anything, but just start with 20 minutes a week and go from there. One other very important activity you can do if you're going at it alone is look up the websites of your most important agents, the agents that love you the most. Go to their websites and see if they have a place where they link to other websites like lenders, title companies, because they may link to your website, and that is SEO gold. That is one thing you definitely want to pursue, is links from your most valued agents. The reason it can take so many months for Google to actually start ranking you higher is that they want to see consistency. So whether you're doing it on your own or starting with us, it's something to start on this month at the end of August, early September. Get started producing content and do it consistently through the winter, and we will see positive ranking results. It's something we've seen over and over again with accounts that we manage. So get started on it one way or another. And look, I get it, guys. I talk to inspectors every day, and I know it's hard when you're busy and it's just another thing on your plate. But think of it as an investment that's going to keep paying for itself down the road. We've seen a good amount of inspectors invest in this and actually reap the rewards 6 months, 9 months, 12 months later. So it takes a little forward vision, but if you have the funds and or the time to invest in this, now is the perfect time. Don't wait until November or December to do this, because then you're rolling right back into busy season, which nowadays seems to start in February or March. So in summary, guys, get in touch with us about a new website and start thinking about your digital marketing and what you're producing on your website to prepare for slow season, because I want to see all Spectorians either grow their business or stay in business during the off season. And it's very possible if you pay attention to these details. All right, guys, I'll drop some links in the description if you've made it this far for further information on websites, SEO, payment plans, the different things you can be doing. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Thanks.